Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to talk about how you can benefit from writing a journal. Let's just take a moment to define what a journal is. Many people regard it as a physical book that you write in every day like a diary. But it could really be anything. It could be a book or a file on your computer or a collection of letters that you write to yourself. The main point of a journal is that there is no audience for it. It is a place for you to record your experiences, your thoughts, your hopes and fears, anything at all that's on your mind. What you write about is completely up to you, and there is no set format. You can write a dozen pages or a single sentence. You can write your entry in the form of poetry, dialogue, anything you like. There are no rules when it comes to journaling. So what are the advantages? Well, it can benefit you both as a human being and as a writer. Any mental health professional will tell you that writing down things that are bothering you can help with stress relief. You know how just talking about a problem can make you feel better about it? If there's something going on in your life that you're not ready to talk about, writing it down can have a similar effect. At the same time, it can help you think about the problem in a more productive way. Writing engages both sides of the brain. The right brain is the creative center that prompts you to ask questions and develop fresh insights. The left brain is the logical center that enables you to think something through in an organized way. This is why you can struggle with a problem for days or weeks, and as soon as you write it down, you suddenly think of a solution. And that solution can seem so obvious that you question why you didn't think of it before. This also ties into the next benefit. Writing something down helps you remember it, especially if you write it by hand. I went to university in the late 1990s, the era before portable electronic devices. I took handwritten notes during all of my classes. When I was doing my required reading, I wrote down the pertinent points and added them to my notes. In later years, when I was doing my postgrad studies, I tried typing my notes, but I found that it wasn't nearly as effective. Now, it could just be that I'm old and set in my ways, or it could be that writing things down by hand makes your brain engage in a more complicated way. There is a lot of evidence showing a connection between memory and handwriting. Then we get to the benefits for you as a writer. A lot of people hesitate to write because they don't think they're good at it. Regardless of your level of skill, writing is like any activity. The more you do it, the better you will be. Journaling is a great way for you to experiment with styles, with genres, with topics. It is a safe, non-judgmental way for you to figure out what kind of writing you feel most suited to. And finally, journaling is a way for you to record ideas. I recently started a dream journal just for this purpose. My most recent entry is a dream in which the Prime Minister of Canada borrowed my phone and didn't return it. Not sure what to make of that. Anyway, whether you are journaling your dreams, your emotions, or things that happen to you, there could be ideas for stories or blog posts in there. So if you're not already journaling, give it a try. Enjoy the freedom to write whatever you want, whenever you want. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.